Wait, are you telling me I can actually get paid just to like a post? I tested it and this happened. Hi guys, you are welcome back to my channel once again. If today is the first time I'm coming across my channel, my name is Faith. All I do here is testing and reviewing an app where you can earn money online. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about this app that claim that they're going to pay you just by you like a post on their app. And I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. And first of all, I'm going to tell you step by step how you can actually sign up on this app. Okay, I'm going to be putting the link on the comment section of this video, or you can go to Play Store and download this app. It is available on the Play Store. As you can see the review of the app, you can see people are commenting good, and this thing is happening this year. It's not that 2025. This is 2026 and people are giving good review, and this is the reason why I bring it here for you too to go and try it out. Me, I'm trying it right away. That's the reason why I'm making this video. Okay, so let me go and log in on this app. I've already logged in on this app. Let me show you how this app works. Make sure you stay to the end of this video. Okay, now you can see the interface of the app. The interface of the app is very cool, and now you can see pictures of the audience. Okay, now before you can start doing anything, you need to go ahead and verify your profile picture, which you can add your email because you need to use your email to log in on this app. You can verify if you're male or female, though male and female, this app is for both gender. Okay, so now you will select your gender, you will select your bio, you will select your profile picture. Okay, make sure the profile picture you're going to select is really nice. Okay, I'm not going to be showing all of that because of this video. Okay, you can see this is the post you're going to like, though I have liked all these posts. Now, let me just show you the example of it. You can see, for you to know that you have liked a post, you can see my profile picture. This is actually my profile picture that is on the circle. Okay, you can see I've already liked all this picture. So you don't need to, any picture you like, you don't need to go ahead and like it again. Okay, it's for you to move, scroll up and search for the one you never like and go there and like it before you can earn reward on this app. Okay, so let me show you an example. Let me just scroll down and show you the one I haven't even liked. Okay, now you can see that you can actually answer quiz here and any reward as well. Okay, if you click on this reward center, they're going to take where you can actually answer quiz. And that quiz you're going to answer, you need to provide the correct answer. Let me show you the example of it. Okay, if you click on that quiz, it's going to take you to a place where you can answer it correct. As you can see, emoji quiz challenge. Okay, you can see different emoji, funny emoji on this particular one. You need to go ahead and read it carefully and answer it. Okay, once you answer it, if you win, they are going to reward you. Okay, now let me just go down and show you more. Okay, I've already liked this place. I'm trying to know if I can actually scroll down again and show you what you need to do on this app. Though you too can actually set a quiz on this app. That is the reason why I tell you stay to the end of this video. Stay to the end of this video so that you don't miss something. Okay? Now you can see the profile picture. Let me just like it. You are going to see that I'm going to earn reward. Okay, all you need to be doing on this app is just for you scrolling up, down, liking a post, and you'll be earning reward. And don't forget, you too can actually create an engaging post. And once people start engaging on it, you're going to be earning extra income on this app. Note, let me just use this and say this. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose only. I don't guarantee any. Results depend on your activities on the app or your region. Make sure you do your own research very well before downloading this application. Do your own research. I'm just sharing my personal experience, and this is not a financial advice. And this video is not a financial advice. Do your own research, disclaimer, okay? So without wasting much of your time, okay, now you can see that I'm actually liking this post. As you can see on my screen, I'm actually liking a post and I'm actually getting a reward. Now, if you like a post, you're going to earn reward. If you like a post, all you need to do is first scroll it down and liking a post. Now, I'm going to show you how you can actually create your own quiz on this. Now you can see choose your poll format. Image poll, video poll, text poll, rate. Okay, as you can see, rate image or video, poll trips. Make sure you click on these poll trips and know what they tell you to do, which I'm going to be actually doing that. Okay, I'm going to do that and read it small. Okay, now if you want to upload your own photo, make sure the photo you are going to upload is engaging and a decent photo. It's not all photo you will put there. Okay, make sure you check other photo before you upload. Now you can, let me just click on that poll trips and show you one the wording. As you can see, have a clear title or question. Okay, you can see the title you should be attention grabbing and information should be specific. Make sure anything you want to upload here, you need to be very careful whether you want to upload text, whether you want to upload video, whether you want to upload picture. Make sure anything you are going to upload here is going to be very clear. Make sure you write a description about it. Write your description very well so that the post will be engaging, because the more the post will be engaging according to this app, once your profile or your video starts grabbing attention, you're going to be earning reward. Okay, so now if you click on where you're going to upload, like this place you're going to upload your poll, if you click on it, maybe you want to upload text, they're going to ask you to 300. That is the reward they are giving you. Once you like a picture, you are going to see that they're going to reward you. That reward they are giving you, you need to use it to create your own pool. Okay, after you gather it, you can withdraw it and you can also use it to create pool in order for you to get more reward on this app. Okay, because if you post your own pool and people start engaging on it, you are going to be earning extra income, okay, on this particular app. Okay, so now you can see, once I like this profile picture, you're going to see that you're going to see reward. Now you can see that I have 91 reward. I just opened this app. I have 91 reward, and this is how you can actually, you can withdraw these coins and you can also use it to create a pool for more reward. Okay. Okay, so you can see cash out option. Note, for you to see it, you need to click on the wallet option on the top. If you click, this is how it's going to appear. Okay, so you can see cash out, and here you can cash out here with PayPal. Okay, the payment available there is PayPal account. You can see that, let me just show you how to do it. You can see that you can withdraw from €1, €2, and €5 and €10. Okay, depend on you how you work on this place. Note, you need to create an engaging pool, not only by liking, you need to create your own. Okay, make sure everything you are going to create there is engaging. Do not create boring something, because if you create boring something there, you're not going to be getting engaging. And if your profile is not grabbing attention, you're not going to be any reward. That is just it. You can see, cost before you can post test pool, it costs 500. That is if you start liking a post. If you start liking people's post, then if you earn up to 500, you can use it to create a post. Okay, you can see video, different prices, which you can actually use the reward they are giving you to create it. Okay, and note, you can actually withdraw that coins. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.